everyone, I've got an absolutely fantastic opportunity today to show you here this 2-bedroom apartment situated on Middlewood Street in the popular Fusion development. We are in the penthouse suite. This is on the 6th floor and also benefits from lift access. So coming through the entrance here, on the right hand side it brings you into the entertaining space, which is the living room, dining room and the kitchen, which has that fantastic private balcony there. So we've got the living space here, dining room, and then we've got this fantastic modern kitchen here with integrated fridge freezer, oven, hob, extractor, and then we've got a seating area here, breakfast bar, and then this beautiful terrace. And this lovely sunny day, so it is all private area there. And then we've got all of this space. So the property is coming to the market chain free. Does benefit from 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and also 2 parking spaces, which is absolutely fantastic. And then coming through off the entrance hallway, we've got the main bathroom, which is a 4-piece suite. So we've got the separate shower area there as well. Very good sized bathroom, very nicely presented. Got storage cupboard there, and then coming into the master bedroom, got this absolutely gigantic bedroom, which is a great size. We've got an ensuite as well, and we also have another private balcony which is overlooking the front of the property. So you do have a balcony to the front and to the rear. So you've got a fantastic view. You've got a really great space out here as well. And then coming back through into the main bedroom, closing that Juliet balcony, we've got our ensuite here, which is a really great size again as well. So we've got a shower, toilet and a sink here. Again, same theme as the main bathroom. And coming back through from the main bedroom into the second bedroom. Got more spotlights in here as well, and another really great size bedroom here. Very generous double. Another Juliet balcony there. You can see how much space you've got, how much storage you've got, and again the Juliet balcony with that fantastic view. And then completing the room, we have a storage cupboard here. So again, the property is coming to the market chain free. You are within walking distance to Manchester city centre. You've got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies, with the addition of 2 parking spaces. We are in the penthouse apartment on the 6th floor, and the property does have lift access. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.